there, guys? Who there? Let's go. Cxc Revision, Mr. Lennox Bennett. Who there upon the human tube? Let's go. Functions, let's go. Share it right away as you come on, guys. As you come on, like it, let me know so you did it. If you are watching playback, meds it too, alright? Let's go. What the go on, how the preparation been going? Like it as you come on, guys. Let me know so you did it. We're going to look on some functions. And then we are going to take it to probably TikTok. Yeah, man. Me see some people there. Ready up. Big up. Yeah, man. Like it right away, guys. So that's how we are doing it, you know. Get the markers them ready. Who can do functions? Share it for me too, guys. Share it. So persons not miss the live, alright? Want to look on the regular functions, want to look on also. Yeah, man, me see some people there, man. Me see some we're going to begin right away, guys. Welcome. Work we are work and a chicken we are jerk. Yeah. We say students pass exam, you know. Big up Currin from Trinidad and Tobago. If they are from Trinidad, big up. Shania Parker, thanks for the love. Leon, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man. Somebody say run through some matrices. That a come, guys. It a come. Guys, you want a matrices video upon my thing. I'm going to start with some functions. Ready? So I'm going to start off with the one that Cxc normally give 1 mark for. So I'm going to look for one of that. I absolutely love give these. Let's say we have f of x equal x squared plus x minus 1. Cxc will give you an answer for f negative 1. Can you guys work out that one and tell me the answer before we begin? Thanks to all who like the video. Thanks to all who share it. You know it already, you know, guys. You know it already. People there already. Yeah, man. Go and like it up, guys. I just 10 likes that, you know. And 100 odd people there. Like it now, guys, man. I saw Cxc, I saw TikTok. You know, TikTok. I saw YouTube recommend it to students, you know. The more likes, the more them give it to a youth a struggle and a search for some help. So just go and like the video for me now, please. May I look for some stuff and we begin. 1 minute. Let's go. Work and a chicken we are jerk. Yeah, I'm ready now. No joke thing this, you know. What do you guys get? Alright, see them. So let's go, guys. So if we have f of x is equal to x squared plus x minus 1 and they ask us for f negative 1, all we're doing is substituting the value. So wherever we see x, we put negative 1. So that will be negative 1 squared. The x is negative 1, so anywhere we see x, we put negative 1, right? And then we minus 1. Now we know that if you square a number, it's always going to be positive. So negative 1 means negative 1 times negative 1, which gives us positive 1. So this will become 1 minus 1 minus 1. Two ways you can look at this. We can say 1 minus 1, that's 0. 0 minus 1, that's negative 1. So our answer is negative 1. Or we can look at it this way. Since we have 1 minus 1, we can look at this and say this becomes 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. So either way, you should be able to get your negative 1 as your answer. One more, guys. Want to see the answer flying in the comment section. Let's go. Same function, but this time we're going to put positive 1. What's the answer for that? When you put f1. Work out that, guys. Work out that. Leave it in the comment section. If f of x is equal to x squared plus x, 1 done, minus 1, what's f1? Shania Parker, big up yourself, you know, much love. Work we are work, and a chicken we are jerk. We know that already too. 1 minute to put in the answer, the guys. Let's go, let's go. We have an exam for pass. We don't joke around when it comes to exam. We know that already too, you know. We know that. Work we are work, and a chicken we are jerk. What's the answer, guys? 30 more seconds. See if you can complete in 30 seconds. As you come and like the video, guys, as you come and like the video, so TikTok, so YouTube can recommend it. Somebody say give a order one. And that's how we do it, guys. You have to start small. That I think with students, we like to jump to hard things. The basic is the most important. So F1 would be 1 squared, because F is positive 1, right? Plus 1 minus 1. Now 1 squared is 1, plus 1 minus 1. So that's 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. Patience, guys, patience. The hard one is coming. Yeah, we have to take it from the basic, man. Because you don't want somebody who is lost to be on the live and don't know what we're doing. So we start slow first, alright? Let's go again. Same one, substitution type. Find G negative 1, guys. Let's go, let's go. Professor J.A., big up yourself, you know. All Jamaicans are going to play some bag of foo-foo music. I mean, yeah, me there do my YouTube video and hear some idiot that drive past. You man music loud. You know how so much idiot born in our country I'm over. And them fool. Work out that here, guys. G negative 3. X squared minus x plus 1. What is G minus 3? Let's go, let's go. I drive past, man. Let's go, guys, let's go, let's go. And you can share the video in the meantime, guys. Share the video in the meantime. What's the answer? Positive 7, Missy 13. I Missy 13, Martina said 13, the marker 13, Princess Ennis said 13, Wandan said 13, the marker 7. Alright. Wandan said 13 also. Alright, we can see what go on there. So guys, you know we're going to substitute negative 3, right? So it would be negative 3 squared minus 3. Hope you guys put in that, you know. Because the minus is there and then the 3 is also minus. So this now is going to give us positive, because remember 3 times 3. So negative 3 times negative 3, that's positive 9. Minus 3 plus 1. Now these two negatives are going to become positive. So it's 9 plus 3 plus 1, Look like a 13, you know, guys. So the people might get 7. Hush. Yeah, Markina. It's actually 13. Alright. Good job, guys. Good job. But we can't go exam go mess up these, alright? The sign is always a problem, so we have to look carefully when it comes to the sign. Alright? Lillian look like one sample person, you know. How bad. So Cxc can give it that type, guys. They can also give you something like this. They can give you f of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. And they ask you for f negative 1. Work out that for me now, guys. And you know it's a function coming this year. I believe function is coming this year. So f of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. What's f1? Negative 1. Alright, so we see negative 2, we see negative 4. Yeah, man, you pretty can have your book long time. So I see negative 1 and I see positive 1. So guys, it will get really tricky now, you know. We'll have different answers. 30 seconds to the solution. Let's see if you can get it. F of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. F negative 1 is equal to, I see negative 1, I see positive 1, I see 2, I see negative 2. So guys, you know, so it will get really sticky. Let's see. Alright, solution time now, because we're not issue now. So, we know that we're supposed to substitute negative 1 wherever we see x. So, it is negative 1 squared plus 2. X is negative 1, you know, so we put negative 1 there, minus 3. 1 times 1, that's 1. 2 times negative 1. Now, positive times a negative, that's negative. And minus 3. So, look at the first one, say negative 4, like I'm going to agree with you, you know. So this will give us 1, both of them negative, so we add them and get negative 5. So this will be negative 4. So our answer would be negative 4 in that case. You take Queen or Takian. You know, name is difficult. Markina say negative 4. So guys, you have to be careful with these. Let me show you our next type of CSEC will give you guys when it comes to functions. You want to see everybody I get the answer, it's easy. What's the answer for that? F of x is equal to 3x minus 1. What's f negative 2? Guys, you share the video? Or only 200 people there? Share the video, man. Or them to watch basketball? Or them out a party? Send them the video, man. Make them can come on. Let's go, let's go. 1 minute for that, guys. 1 minute for that. Let's go, let's go. Somebody was saying that they want matrices. We soon reach to matrices. We soon reach to vectors. So I see negative 7, negative 7, negative 7. Yes, Samuel, big up yourself. Azuri Suarez, one done. Big up yourself. Alright, so we have f of x is equal to 3x minus 1, and then we have f minus 2. Now, we're going to just substitute the value wherever we see x. Guys, you can't set me up against nobody. We do this to help people who want the help. 3 times 2, that's negative 6. Now, a negative times a positive. And of course, 2 of them negative, so that would be negative 7. Alright. One more, guys, one more. No negative energy, no negative energy. Because we are taking the world, you know. Nobody can stop it from taking it. The world is ours. Alright, so guys, let's just look at composite function. Now, this is the process of combining 2 or more functions. So let's say we have f of x is equal to 3x plus 5, and we have another function. So it's more than one function now. Let's say we have another function. I'm going to color code it. Let's say g of x is equal to 4x minus 1. What can they ask us? They can ask us to find fg x. We'll start simple first. They can also ask us to find g f x. Somebody put that in the comment section for me now. Think of chattings. So composite function is a process of combining 2 or more functions. Now recently CSEC have just limited to only 2, so we don't need to be doing the 3s. So just 2. We're going to stay with the syllabus. Let's go, guys, let's go. What's the answer for that? What would be the function fg of x and what would be gf? Would it be the same thing? Alright. So Carl, we don't know which one you're doing. I'm assuming that's fg, and you say that's 12x plus 2. Guys, we don't know Terry Notes from Trinidad. Legendary YouTuber, man. And Kerwin Springer. I meet Kerwin Springer personally. Legend, man. Legend. The man that legend, guys. Alright. So we have f of x equal 3x. Professor J.A. our YouTuber name, someone. You can check him out. He's from Trinidad and Tobago. Alright. Talia say 12x plus 19. That's FG. Alright. Guys, I promise you, in about 2 minutes, everybody will understand how to combine the function. Very easy process. So I kind of color code it. I could look at it right now. Alright, so let's look at FG first. So what it is, we're going to combine both functions. So guys, this is a way that I teach my students. And I learned this from a white man. We're going to write back the last function first. So g is the last function. So we have fg, so write back all of g. So that would be 4x minus 1. Put that in bracket. And then now we're going to write back f. So f is 3x plus 5. So instead of writing back x, this is our x in f. So it is to be 3x plus 5. Tell me if you understand it. So we're writing back the two functions, we're combining them. So write back all of the last function, which is 4x minus 1, because it's g in this case, and then we write back f, but we don't write x. The function g is our x. So all of this 4x minus 1 is our x, and then we know that the bracket means to multiply. So 3 times 4, that's 12x. 3 times negative 1 minus 3, and we put the plus 5. Now I did saw somebody put 12x plus 2, you would be correct. Because negative 3 plus 5 would be positive 2. So that would be the correct answer. Big up, DeMarco. I see you also got it. Big up, man. Everybody will get it. Big up yourself. Alright, the next function is gf. So guys, try to catch the process, alright? Because it gets more complex than this. So let's try to understand how you do it. Now, gf, f is our last function. So you know what we're going to do. We're going to write our last function first, which is the f. So f is 3x plus 5. Big up St. Mary's College. Yeah. Big up Kerwin Springer. Meet the general, miss. What do you know? Real man, guys. Real general. And then now we're going to write back g. So g says 4x minus 1. So we don't write back x. We just write 4. This is our x minus 1. Tell me if you don't catch it, you know. Tell me if you don't catch it. 4 times 3, that's 12x. 4 times 5, 20, and we minus 1. Of course, this is the only like term, so we have the 12x plus 19. Guys, we want to see comment section full up now when we do it. Alright, so we have, that will be our answer for both of these. Let's see if we can do some more. And then we're going to look at when we have FG2. Oh, alright, Talia, big up yourself. One done, me see you get it. See you as well, big up. Alright. Big up, man, big up. Let's go, guys, let's go. So now, alright, like a different function, and you guys, we could take it continue to take it simple. As I say, guys, these are very simple functions, but nevertheless, we don't rush it. We take it from there, alright? Let's say g of x is equal to x minus 3 gh. H of x is equal to 4x minus 1. And you're asked to find these two things, GHX, HGX. One thing with TikTok, you can't get the negative energy over there, so that's why I love TikTok, so. As you go on a positive energy, no negative energy. People just start top up the screen and say, yo, you go play next minute, really. Let's go, guys, let's go. 4 minutes to do both of them. $14 past the hour of 8 o'clock, we're going to complete that, guys. Alright, Carl said 4x minus 4. That's the first answer. Lando said, I'm not to delete it. No, Lando, I'm not delete it, man. Jody K, big up yourself, you know. We delete that for Jody. I would never do that, guys. Guys, me do this for help people, you know. Enough people not even know how I go through. I literally just come off a 1-2 hour class with my prep students because them exam are Wednesday, Thursday. Guys, we do this to help people, man. Who want the help? Nah, delete it. Alright, Joshua say 4x minus 13. Princess say 4x minus 4. So I say 4x minus 4. Garfield say 4x minus 4 also. That's the most popular one. That girl say 4x minus 3. So I'm not sure what I'm going for that girl. Isis. Brianna say 4x minus 4 also. 1 more minute, guys. Try to h of x. Remember now, we are push it, guys. We are push your speed. And I just about do maths. Because we not get all day. So we are make it get faster without even you realize. Professor J.A. said 4x minus 13 as well. Azuri said 4x minus 4 and 4x minus 3, 13. So I assume say that are the order. With G of H. Alright, so good. Let's go, guys, let's go. Shania Parker. Hey, a Shania Parker that? My Shania that? If you don't know, say it me where we come from. Big up Carl, big up yourself too. 4x minus 13. Alright, solution time now, guys. Solution time. Alright, so we have g h of x. So we know what the function is. The last function is h. So we're going to write back all of h. So that's 4x minus 1. Can't get no simpler than this, guys. Now, g says x minus 3. But remember, all of this is x. So guess what? We have x already, guys. So all we have to do, just minus 3. And of course, there's no bracket if you really multiply anything here. So it's just minus 1 minus 3. Both of them are negative. So it will be 4x minus 4. So you guys were correct. That says 4x minus 4. Alright, let's next function now. Based on what you guys said, I should get 4x minus 13. So let's see if we get that. So write back the last function, which is g. So we can write back all of g. And g says x minus 3. So write back all of it. Put that in bracket. That's our x. So now we're going to write back h. Now h says 4x. But remember, we already have x already. I found know about x already. So we have 4x minus 1. And then we expand our bracket. So 4 times x, that's 4x. 4 times negative 3, negative 12 minus 1. So these, we put to 4x minus 13. And that would be our answer. Alright, so good job, guys. Good job. Let's step it up now. So now that we know how to do combine the function, we could step it up a bit. Put a little complication in it, as a Cxc would do. And then we take it from there. Somebody just text me phone and said, if I have my marathon. Yeah, guys, my marathon I start the 29th. Those who want to sign up, let me just put my number up on the board. I just want to do some work. I don't want to get distracted. I just want to do some work, guys. Yeah, man, somebody said inverse. Of course, inverse will come. But guys, we don't rush it. This is my number. So those who want to join the marathon, just link me up on that. But I don't want to spend the life thinking about the marathon. Alright, let's go. Let's say we have f of x is equal to 2x plus 5 over 3. As we say, guys, you have step it up a bit. And g of x is equal to 6x minus 1. So I want you guys to find this one. Gf of x. And of course, for the next one, f g of x. Remember, we're not done with composite yet, now, guys. We're not done with composite. Hold on, inverse coming, but we're not done with it. Now, if you just calm down, guys. Actually, not part of my class. I'm not rush maths. One dance and broke. A cheap something, man. I just 2,000 a night. Cheap. A Jamaican and a US, you know. One done, one class away go to school, no? I have an iPhone 14. You're not broke, man. You're not broke at all. And your girl, we are weak on them things that were dear. I say an iPhone 14. Yeah. Alright, so guys, only one person say it. Alright, let's go. So guys, I'm run through that 1 year and then them 2 year and then you guys can do some at the same time. Remember if you like the video, guys, in the meantime, if you ever watch the playback, watch the live video same way. Let's go, guys, let's go. Alright, so we have g of f. So it's the same thing. Nothing no change. Write back f first. Now f says 2x plus 5. So we write back all of it. 2x plus 5 over 3. Drop a bracket. Nothing no change. Now g says 6x minus 1. So we still put a 6 and we minus 1. Now guys, interestingly, one of the things that students make over the years, they multiply the 3 by 6, but it's just the top really, you're multiplying. So we're going to keep it. So consider it as all divided by 3. That's one way you can look at it. That's what I tell my students. So 6 times 2, that's 12x. 6 times 5, 30. And we minus 1 all over 3. And we simplify, we get 12x plus 29 all over 3. And that would be our answer. So from that now, guys, we should be able to match up FG. No change, I see in principle, right? So G is 6x minus 1. So we write back with 6x minus 1. Put that in bracket because this is our x in an F. Now F says 2x plus 5 over 3. And same thing, we multiply the top. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times negative 1, negative 2 plus 5 over 3. So we get 12x. Negative 2 plus that gives us positive 3 over 3. Now both of them, all three numbers can be divided by 3. So we could simplify this because all 3 into 3, 1. So 1 down there, so 3 into that, 4x. 3 into that, 1. So it's really 4x plus 1. Because it can divide by all 3 numbers. Somebody say confused. We could try to fix that, guys. We could try to fix that. Remember, only the top. Let's see there. That this here, brown. Yeah. We just multiplying the top, right? So it's just the numerator we're multiplying, and then the line underneath it basically mean you divide everything when you finish by the 3. Alright? So hope that make it a little bit clearer. One more, guys, one more. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. And before we go to the inverse, guys, we need to show you when we put the number in it. So let's say we have f of x is equal to 3x plus 2 over 9, and g of x is equal to 5x minus 1. Same thing again, guys. Same thing again. So say g f x, and then we have f, put the f up at top, f g of x. Let's go, guys, let's go. Live, I get lively now, I feel like TikTok vibes. Let's go, let's go. Send me the answer, guys, and we can discuss it together. Let's go, man, let's go. Any of my prep students on? Big up on yourself, guys. Big up on yourself. Some of them probably asleep right now. Get to know real rest. Two more minutes, guys. Complete it. Let's go. Let's go. Work where work and a chicken where jerk. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Answer flying like TikTok vibes. TikTok. 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 Alright, we see 5, 15x plus 9 over 9, or 15x plus 1. Bernard, get the same thing. Regina, 15x plus 1. Alright, cool. And that's g of f. That this here brown, so explain it. Yeah, man, one more minute. We just give you guys some more time. And then we shell down this thing. So we have g of f of x, and then we find fg. So we are going to separate the board in the meantime. So we are going to look at both of them. By now, everyone should catch the rule. Right? If you come on late. Alright. So we're supposed to write back f first. Hey, we have class here. Alright, guys, let's go. So write back f first, right? Now f says 3x plus 2 over 9. So we have 3x plus 2 all over 9. Put that in bracket because we're going to write back g. Now g says 5x minus 1. So it's 5x minus the 1. And of course, we know what we do. Multiply the top alone. 5 times 3, that's 15x. So I see you guys got the 15x. Good job, guys. Good job. 5 times 2, that's 10 minus 1 over 9. And of course, to simplify, it will be 15x. 10 minus 9, that's positive 9 over 9. Now guys, we can't really cancel this, Only if a number can go in all three of them. So we can't really cancel the 9 because 9 and 9 because 9 can't go into 15. So we have to leave it as 15x plus 9 over 9. Or if you can use 3, I think 3 can go into all 3 of the numbers. Somebody said me get it here now. We could use 3 to simplify it. But we couldn't use 9. 3 can go into 15. And that would be 5 times. So you have your 5x here. So 3 into that. 3 times over 3. And that would be your answer. So you can break it down to 5x plus 3 over 3. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Energy, energy. TikTok energy we are dealing with. And for those who don't know about my TikTok, I do it simultaneously. So I come on TikTok, I come on YouTube. Come on TikTok, come on etc. 2 platforms I have, Instagram, I don't really go live on that. Alright. Next function now, we have FG. Same name, Lennox Bennett. All of them are same name. So we have FG now. So write back G first because G is the last function, which is 5x minus 1. Put that in bracket because that's our x in f. And that would be... Somebody said, let me get it now, so I'm going to give one more. And then we're going to move on to the type where we plug in the number and get the value. And by the way, guys, you're welcome. This will probably give us 7 marks in exam if it comes. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times negative 1, negative 3 plus 2 over 9. And of course, we can break down this as 15x negative 3 plus 2, that's negative 1 over 9. And that is our answer. So guys, those who get the full marks in the examination, you are welcome. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Big up, oh, Jada. Big up Jada. No, I'm not going to all the topics tonight, guys. I can't do that. That's not teaching. If you want to look on past papers, I post past papers every day. So you can go back on my video and watch them. A past paper was posted today at number 7. Alright? Teaching can't go like how you guys think, You can't do everything one time. And you go exam and you can't remember them. But when you do one thing, continuous, then you get it. So we just want to focus on function tonight. And next night, matrices. And next night, vectors. And next night, circle theorem. So them things are going on, guys. Alright. Let's go. So my phone go on, So I have to ignore it, trust me, guys. You see, when time you put in the work, trust me, the whole people, everybody want to work with you. I see somebody left a bad comment a while ago. And I'm sure that the person don't even know. I have a challenge, guys, and my challenge is not to get students. This challenge is to find time to have classes. People call me one-on-one, and I can't find the time. Literally, we consider it as I'm losing money when I can't have the time. But then I'm working, so that's how it goes. I always try to come on live, guys. I just done a 2-hour class. I have class basically all day on Saturday, all day on Sunday. But I still find time to come on, come help who want help. You notice when I come on, guys, I don't try to tell nobody who want a marathon or nothing. I just people who text me and ask about that. Because I adapt me about, just about putting in the work. I try to give an hour, 2 hours whenever I can. I will try, Nikisha. But you know it, guys, sometimes you're tired, You're tired. Remember, guys, I not just teach Cxc, I teach at a high school, Plus me have my class. I have a lot of students, PEP, Cxc, students abroad. It's rough. I'm a father, you know what I mean? So it's rough. But whenever I find energy, I do come on. Let's go, guys. Let's go. After this, guys, we're going to plug number 9 and then we look at the inverse. I'm going to show you how easy the inverse is. Yeah, Nikisha, big up yourself, man. Much love, you know. I love where do you with, you know, no negative energy. One done, say 20x plus 7 over 6. Sister said 20x minus 10 over 6. So we've got different answers we get, guys. Let's see who is correct. Let's go. Push yourself, guys. Push yourself. Don't watch negative energy where people are pushed. Know what you want out of life. And everybody can be influencer and YouTuber. Some of we have to turn nurse and doctor. Some of we have to learn little Spanish. Big up yourself, Jada. You know what kind of D6-2 grade we are talking about, you know. A part one I know in English. No Spanish around here. Bim said 20x minus 10 over 6 for the first one. Romara, big up yourself. That girl Dizzy. Yeah, Leah. Big up yourself, Leah. Butterfly. Leah from Trinidad, Dad. Regina Bernard, big up yourself. See ya. Marquina said 20x plus 7 over 6. Jody Lewis said 20x minus 7 over 6. So I see that a lot, guys, but some people have negative 7 while some have positive 7. Let's explore it and see which is it. So we have FG x, right? So we're going to write back G first, which is 5x, all of G, 5x minus 3 over 6. And then we're going to plug F. So F now is 4x, so all of this is x, so we'll just put back a 4 plus 2. 4 times 5, that's 20. 4 times negative 3, negative 12, plus 2 over 6. So the final answer would be 20. Let me see if the board will pick up this one. Yeah, you can pick up. So it would be 20x, negative 10 minus plus 2 would give us minus 10 all over 6. This can break down because 2 can go into all of them. So that will give us 10x minus 5 over 3. Since a number can go into all 3, that means we could do that. Me and me go scratch me, guys. You know what that means? Money, money, money. Come to my grandmother. Money. Alright, so now we have g of f. So f, we write back f first, which is 4x plus 2. Put that in bracket, and then write back g, which is 5. This is our x, minus 3 over 6. So we expand our bracket. 5 times 4, that's 20. 5 times 2, 10, minus 3 over 6. And we know the rest. 10 minus 3, that gives us 7. So we have 20x. Positive 7 though, guys. Remember, 10 is bigger. So if somebody comes here and said 10 minus 3, you're not going to say negative 7. And just because I'm math class. But if somebody say I have 10 mangoes and give away 3, how much you have left? Not 7. And just because I'm math class, people think it's different. I see same thing, a reality. Alright? So guys, we could look for when we have the functions and then put a number in there. Alright. And guys, these videos was done last year for these, you know. So you're asking about circular theorem, they are there. Vectors, they are there. Past papers, they are there. Puzzle, they are there. Everything is there. Inverse, variation, everything is there. Matrices, it's there. Everything is there. Oh guys, I can't get to do it every night, but once I find the energy, yeah man, once I have the energy, I come on. I gotta carry me, you know. Amount of work me do from morning. Wake up, have pep class, make breakfast, buy some fruits, come back, bathe, go town, go supermarket, come back, sleep, have class. Then me come on. Cook dinner in between. Mother always say God give me the strength and I show. So guys, they can ask for this GF2. So try that one. And you can ask for FG negative 1. It's the same thing. All you do, you replace x with this number after you combine the functions. Let's see if we can get the answer. Joshua say 43. So Joshua done already and that's a GF. Alright, we can see it go now. Big up yourself, Joshua. Let's go guys, let's go. So we have GF2. So guys, you combine the function, then you put 2. Same thing, F combine the function, then you put negative 1 where x is. So you're going to replace the x. So I say 43. Talia say 43 too. Talia, how you get F in your answer? It's a number you're forgetting, a solid number. FG, somebody said that's a negative 13. That's a Joshua. Me there, man. Me there. What go on? Me there upon this Gaza, man. Mario say 43. That girl, this is say 43. So me kind of believe say 43. You know? Everybody I get that. Godlike players say 43 as well. Alright, big up, big up, big up. Let's go, let's go. Guys, you know from when it's stuck at 69, one get it over 60. Yo. One dan say FG at 10, negative 10. Talia Burrell say negative 10 too. So it's either 43 or negative 10. Many say 44 minus 1, which is 43 also. Beam say 43 and negative 10. Oh, FG and negative 10. Okay, so me get it. So one to be 43 and one to be negative 10. Yeah, man, me understand. Alright, cool. We could go cheat now, guys, and see if we get 43 and negative 10. Talia Borrell, big up yourself, you know. Alright, so we have G now. So G is 4x minus 1. So I can write back all f first. F is 3x plus 5. So f is the last function, so write it back. So we have 3x plus 5, put that in bracket. And then now we have 4x minus 1. So we have 4. This is our x, and we minus the 1. Expand our bracket. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 5, 20. And we minus the 1 over. We didn't put. Oh, this you never have to go over nothing. What am I say? Because I didn't have anything here, so. Alright, so 12x, this is give us 12x. 20 minus 1, that's 19. Now we're supposed to substitute the value of x with 2. Anywhere we see x, we're going to put 2. And we know it's our times that, right? So it would be 24 plus 19. Because 12 times 2, and then of course 9 and 4, 13. So yeah, 43. Good job, good job, good job. Alright, so we have G now. G is 4x minus 1, so write back with 4x minus 1. Put that in our bracket, and then we have F, which is 3x plus 5. So we work out that little part here first, and then we plug negative 1. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times negative 1, negative 3 plus 5. We can simplify, so we have 12x plus 2. Y plus 2 is negative 3 plus 5. So the 5 is bigger, so you're supposed to get a positive. So it's like saying 5 take away 3, which is 2. So we plug in our negative 2, negative 1 rather, where x is. So we have 12 negative 1 plus 2. So positive times a negative, negative 12. I think about the answer. Plus 2. So that will give us negative 10 as our answer. Because the 12 is bigger, so definitely negative in our answer. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Good job, guys, good job. If you're just joining, you still can like the video. If you're watching the playback, you still can like the video. Good job, good job. I could do one more of this, guys, and then we touch the inverse. Very easy topic, the inverse. But students tend to mess it up at times. So let us see if we can match it up. We could do one more of this, and then we can move on to this. So try this one. G F 1. No, negative 1. And then over here, so now F G negative 2. So try these two, guys, and then we can move to the inverse. So, alright, somebody, Joshua get 3 already. For GF negative 1. Joshua, you're lightning fast. Lightning bolt. Alright, so Shana is a negative 3. Big up Shana. Let's go, guys. Let's go. GF negative 5. So GF 3. Somebody said 3. Someone get negative 3. Let's go. Let's go. 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute. Let's go. Alright, guys. Solution time. Solution time. Alright, so let's do G of F. Christy said negative 7 over 3. That's a FG. And somebody said, one Dan said negative 9. One Dan, everybody else get negative 3 now. Or you get 9. Sia, Regina get negative 3. By Lasida Brown. You say your name Jada, right? Big up Jada, big up. Stay safe. Hit the 1 hour mark, guys. Alright, so we have F, right back F, which is 2x minus 1. Let me go do that. So we have 2x minus 1 over 3. And then we have G, which is 6x plus 9. Expand the bracket first. 6 times 2, that's 12. 6 times 1, negative 6 plus 9 over 3. So we have 12x plus 3 over 3. We can break down this to 4x plus 1, right? We divide everything by 3. So I could plug in negative 1 now, where 4 is, where x is, so that's negative 1 plus that, negative 4 plus 1, which is negative 3. So that is correct. Negative 3, I agree with your answer for that, guys. Let's look at FG now. So G says 6x plus 9, so we write back with 6x plus 9. Put that in bracket, and we're going to write back this, which is 2x minus 1 over 3. Expand our bracket, 2 6 is 12. 2 times 9, 18, minus 1 over 3. So we have 12x plus 17, because 18 minus 1 over 3. Put negative 2 now where x is, so we have 12 negative 2 plus 17 over 3. We simplify. What the 8 has them there? This now gives us negative 24 plus 17 over 3. So it's negative 7 because 1 is positive, 1 is negative. So negative 7 over 3. I did saw this and I was saying that look weird because I think only one person got that answer. Negative 7 over 3. So big up, big up, big up. Thanks guys, thanks. I'm going to look on the inverse now. Now the inverse is just the opposite of whatever is happening. If you rub off my number, rub it off. Anybody now have my number, they not really want to join the class. Alright, so inverse is just doing the opposite of whatever is happening. So let us start off very simple as usual. You know my style already, guys. Let's say we have f of x is equal to x plus 1. And we were asked to find the inverse. Now they normally write it like this, a negative 1 up the top. So we have to know the difference when we have a negative 1 up the top versus when we have f minus 1 here. So this means the inverse, alright? So we're going to find the opposite of the function. So the first thing you want to do is change the function to y because it's a graph, right? It's a straight line graph in this case. So we just write y equal x plus 1. Next one to do, interchange x for y and y for x. So therefore we put x where y is. And then for the final step, we solve for y. So we make y the subject. So y the subject of the formula. So this positive one here, we take the inverse, which is to minus 1. So we have x minus 1 equal to y. But remember, y is equal to f of x. So therefore, the inverse of x is equal to x minus 1. Long and short, we just do the opposite of whatever is happening. You can do it by inspection. Last year I showed the students and they were saying they wish the teacher had showed them that way. So I will show you guys how to do it by inspection also. So guys, let me show one more example. You know Mr. Benny's style. I'm an example teacher. So I could clear and go through. So let's remember this step. Simple something, simple something. We can write a different function. Gonna step it up a bit. So we have g of x is equal to 2x plus 5. So instead of just having one step, we step it up a bit now, right? So g of x is equal to 2x plus 5, and we are asked to find the inverse of g. Again, we change the function to y, so we have y is equal to 2x plus 5. Next, we interchange x for y and y for x, so we just interchange. So I swap it. So x is equal to 2y plus 5, and of course, we just take the inverse of whatever is happening. So we deal with the plus 5 first, so we minus 5. So anything I do to one side, I do to the next side. So this will give you 0, right? What's the opposite of 2 times y? What's the opposite of multiplication? Did somebody type division? Yes, it is division. So these are the inverse of multiplication, division, inverse of division, multiplication, inverse of addition, subtraction, inverse of subtraction, addition. Alright, so we divide by 2. So therefore, the inverse of g of x is equal to x minus 5 over 2. Big up, anyway you're watching this from. Big up, big up. Alright. Both sides. Alright. Big up my generals. Big up, big up, big up, big up. That girl Dizzy say x minus 5 over 2. I got the same thing. Good job, Dizzy. Yeah. So guys, I know you guys know that this is not the hardest one, right? So I could look on a more complex one. You know how people hate me now, honestly. Come be dedicated. You're not trouble people. You're not hype. Alright, let's say we want to find the inverse of f. So we have f of x is equal to 6x plus 5 over 8, and then we have the inverse of f. Yeah man guys, thanks for the 50 likes. Let's get it up to 100. Big up man. Trust me guys, I didn't think they encourage me. I never money encourage me, but just forget the likes them. That's why TikTok kind of easy to deal with, you know. Alright, so again we change the function to y. Y is equal to 6x plus 5 over 8. Soon give you something to do, you know, guys, after that one here. So now we interchange x for y and y for x. So anywhere y then we replace it with x. And we solve for y now. So we make y the subject. So what's the inverse of dividing by 8? We times by 8. Anything we do to one side, we do to the next side. So now we have 6x over 6y plus 5. We get rid of the plus 5 by subtracting 5. So it will be 8x minus 5 equals 6y. And for the last step, I'm quickly right up here, so for the last step, we have 8x minus 5 equals 6y. Big up St. Mary's College for them marker here. So the last step now, we divide by 6 because we want to get y by itself. So the inverse of f in this case would be 8x minus 5 over 6. And that would be our answer. You want money on this subject? So yeah man, big up to everybody who support Mr. Bennett. Bad. One done. Big up yourself, you know. Yeah man. Much appreciated, man. So guys, full time to try some now. Go fly, man. Let's go, let's go. Find the inverse of all of these. And if you are watching playback, even for 1 year from now, it's at the year 2024, still like the video. Alright? So I'm just like you know some functions. Some different type, and you guys shell them down. Alright? Oh, that sound. Alright guys, find the inverse of all of these. The inverse of f, the inverse of g, and of course the inverse of h. So here's some of the all three solutions. Let me make it all. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Active. Yeah man, we're gonna do that. That's not hard. Like f, you can have f inverse, right? So you have f times the inverse of f. So you combine the two functions. If you go on my channel, you will see those, you know guys. It tells you everything you wanna ask for, everything you want, it depends on my channel already. Same channel here. Alright, so we see one answer already. Guys, just use the letter F. F and G, so we can differentiate between them. Yeah man, I see the answer them are flying, guys. I see the answer them are flying. You still can't tell me no what's up. Alright, so me see G equal 2 plus 7x. 7 over x. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna go through them three here, guys. Alright, so first one, we have x minus 3. That's easy, right? So we change the function to y. So we have y is equal to x minus 3. Interchange x for y and y for x. Then we solve for y. So we have minus 3. What's the opposite of minus 3? I did solve this in the combination, the comment section. So the inverse of f is equal to x plus 3. You would have gotten 2 marks or 1 mark for that, whichever CSEC. CSEC run joke a year time. Sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 3. Alright, so we have g of x now. We change the function to y, so we have y equal to 2x minus 7. Change x to y and interchange y for x. Now we solve for y, make y the subject. So we have minus 7, which is plus 7, the opposite. So anything we do to one side, we do to the next side. And of course, we have 2 times y. So we divide, because the opposite of times is divide. So the inverse of g is equal to x plus 7 over 2. Hope everybody got that. Alright, so we have h inverse now. Write back the function first, which is y equals 6x plus 5 over 8. We interchange x for y and y for x. And then we know the rest. We get rid of this 8 by multiplying both sides by 8. Notice it's the last thing we're doing to x. Y, I need to get rid of first. So we have plus 5, so we minus 5. So we have 8x minus 5 equal to 6y. And the final step, we divide by 6. And we know the rest already. The inverse would be 8x minus 5 over 6. You can literally look at it, guys, and say, this is divide, so you multiply 8x minus 5 over 6. That's simple. Same thing with this. We have x plus 7 over 2. And then minus 3 plus 3. So it's that simple. And you call that inspection. So you just write back the answer and it still give you the correct response. Alright. So guys, this is what I want you guys to do. Cxc sometimes will give you something like this. Match up this, guys, because I get tired. We have class the whole day tomorrow, you know. So you know it correct. Alright, I could try. See if we can at least do them here. What you guys will do, who want to join the class, just join the class. Nothing wrong with that, alright? You can ask to find the inverse and you put a number in there. So work out that, guys. What's the inverse of f? And then you plug in 2 in the function. What's the answer for that? One more like, guys. One more like. Like the video. Please. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get this to 1,000 likes. What's the answer for that, guys? Alright guys, let's go. So guys, all we do, we just work it out, find the inverse first, and then you plug in 2. Nothing to it. So we change the function to y, so we have y equal 3x plus 2. Interchange x for y and x for y. What I'm going with the marker? Right, the marker no say. I go put no. Alright, so after we do that, we solve for y. So we minus 2 from both sides. Wait, go on guys, let me get the next marker. So minus 2 from both sides. No, this not work. So minus 2 from this side. Anything we do to one side, we do to the next side. So that will give us 3y. Right? And then now we divide by 3. Now they ask us for f2. So anywhere we see x, we're going to put 2. So it will be 2 minus 2 over 3, which is 0 over 3. So our answer is 0. Remember, we cannot divide by 0, but 0 divided by a number is 0. One more, guys, one more. Before we go, one more. I'm tired. I have class all day, so I'm tired. We still manage to get over an hour though. Let me see how long we have on. Almost 1.5 hours. One beat. God is good. Try this one though, guys. The grand finale. Find G inverse -1. Let's go. See if you guys can match up that one there. Big up to all the person who joined me live, guys. Big up. Much appreciated, you see me? Thanks to all who like the video, thanks to all who watch like the playback, everything. Much appreciated, guys. Much appreciated. Let's go. Who don't subscribe yet, you know what to do, guys. We don't have to tell you that. You know what to do. Always I'll get the notification. Turn on the notification so every day when I post the videos, you can get them. And if I pep video, just give me a watch. 1 minute and make me get a view. Simple as that. Just hit the like button and make more people can come on and so forth. Alright, so we see -13/6, -13/6, -13/6. Big up. So we convince our -13/6. Thanks to all who come out and make the thing have little energy and thing. Thanks to all who put in some work. You know, as we go, preparation go towards the exam and so forth. Thanks to all who following and all of that. Yeah. Somebody said me not get the last part. Alright, we could go through it slowly. The marker says -13/6. That boy Dammy said 13/6. That girl Dizzy says she not get the last part. Alright, let's go. So it's rather easy though. We have to find, once you know how to find the inverse, you're good to go. So we could do that. We could find the inverse first and then we can take it from there. So we change the function to y. So we have y equal 6x plus 5 over 8. Interchange x to y. Anywhere you see x, you put y. Anywhere you see y, you put x. So next, we're going to solve for y. We're going to make y the subject of the formula. So we are dividing by 8. So what's the inverse of dividing? Multiply by 8. But remember, it's an equation. Anything you do to one side, you do to the next side. Next, we're going to get rid of the plus 5. But remember, we must take the opposite of plus 5, which is minus 5. So we have 8x minus 5 equal 6y. And then now, the last step, we divide by 6. But we're not finished. We're supposed to substitute negative 1. Anywhere we see x, that girl Drizzy, we're supposed to put negative 1 where x is. So it's 8 times negative 1 minus 5 over 6. Remember, guys, we're supposed to put negative 1, right? And of course, we're going to sum up now. 8 times 1, that's negative 8 minus 5 over 6. This now, both of them negative, so we get negative 13 over 6. And that would be our answer. We don't normally put it as a fraction. We just leave it like that. We don't put it as a mixed fraction. So we just keep it at negative 13 over 6. Alright, hope you get it, guys. I do 1.5 hours straight, so big up. Thanks to all that who support. The plan was to just come on for half an hour because I'm tired, but because so many persons were on doing the work, you know, that kind of give me the energy to push. So guys, make sure you subscribe. Alright, that girl Dizzy says she get it now. Yeah man, this is the last one done. Cause I'm tired too. Me not lie. I be a class me up on Saturday and Sunday. We have class every day, you know, guys, but I don't know. I try to come on when I can. Plus, me have a couple overseas clients and things, because the thing I get large, you know. Yeah. But respect to everybody. That boy did me. Yeah, man, big up yourself. Alright, somebody says circle theorem. Big up, man. And guys, one heap of them on my channel already. Same this. You can watch the past papers them. Go through circle theorem, go through vectors, go through matrices. We go through everything. What you call the next one too? What people always ask me about bearings and them something there. Everything there on my channel. Just check out my channel, man. Somebody said, oh, me get the F2. No, which F2? F2. Oh, you can come a long time when you talk about. Because a G that one here, you know. So I don't know how we get the F2. But guys, ensure you subscribe. So when I come live and turn on the notification, because I post video almost every day. Alright, Michelle Planter said help. Yeah man, big up. But I not say, yeah, bearings. That is the thing. Bearings upon it too. And transformation. Everything upon it, man. So just check it out, guys. And the next thing too, the next topic different from bearings. Linear programming. That is there too. See money type it there. Yeah, that is there. Everything is there. Those videos were some older videos doing them, but we need to do some fresh video. But guys, may I tell you the truth, it's not easy. The more you do good, and the more students want to be in your class, and you know, and you know you like the money thing. You try to set a future for your youth and things. So yeah. But I go definitely put in a lot of work coming towards the exam. Peer work I put in. So once you guys did it, you know, so the ones did it for you. Simple as that. So big up everybody. Big up Curwin Springer. Big up Terry. Big up Deli Mats. Mr. Sharp. Everybody guys. It's a team thing. I say you come on and like a competition in my run. We not run a competition, youth. Right now, I want help. Because the students say, I can't manage them. You understand? Yeah. So it's not a hype thing or nothing. But big up everybody, man. Whether they come from Trinidad, Barbados, Bahamas, St. Lucia, Belize, Grenada, anywhere in the Caribbean you come from. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Big up Regina. Thanks for coming too. That boy did me. Big up yourself too. Big up yourself, man. Much love. And guys, remember me do live on TikTok too. So if you see me on YouTube, just follow me on TikTok same way. Cayman as well and Guyana. Most people watch my video from Trinidad and Guyana. So big up them people there. Big up Jamaica too. But me know Jamaica stay. Jamaica not gonna really support you know. When I get big, yeah, one done from Guyana. Big up yourself. Yeah man. Much love guys. So you know more topic will come again. Yeah. And St. Martin too, you know. I'm gonna try come on tomorrow as well, guys. I try come on 7 o'clock tomorrow. Yeah man, blessings. So guys, go get some rest because that's what I'm gonna do now. And stay safe. You can go and browse it. Who not tired, can go and browse the channel.